Welcome to the video walkthrough for the Crux OnStar Interface installation for vehicles with Bose and OnStar radios. Read the enclosed installation instructions completely before starting any work. Begin the interface installation by removing the factory radio to gain access to the factory radio wiring connectors. Disconnect the factory connectors from the rear of the radio. Connect the interface harness into the factory connectors. For vehicles with Bose radios, connect the harness into the Bose radio slot on the connector. Connect the interface harness into the interface. Turn the rotary dial to the corresponding radio you are installing. Place in desired location. Connect the new head unit into the wiring harness. Install the new head unit into the dash. After installation of the Crux OnStar interface has been completed, turn the key to on. Press the OnStar phone icon once and listen for the OnStar greeting.
OnStar ready.
Press the OnStar phone icon once again to exit OnStar mode.
Thank you. Goodbye.
This concludes the video walkthrough for the Crux OnStar interface. For more information, refer to the installation guide or call Crux support at 1-888-607-4449 or visit the Crux website.